Today we're going to be seeing a new method, amalgamation in a nature of the purchase. Ninth sum, X, Y agree to the amalgamate. It means X and Y going to be amalgamate and they're going to start a new company. It may be a XY or AB, any limited. From the year of 2013, they are given a balance sheet of X and Y, the old companies. Under this, they have mentioned drawn up the balance sheet of a new company XY, which was the incorporate to take over the amalgamation. It means X and Y going to be amalgamate and they're going to start the new company in an incorporation. And the state of the number of the shares a new company will be allotted to the shareholders for the old company. That means the new company take overing the shares of the old company. This is the meaning. So they are given only a balance sheet. So now we are moving to the first step of the sum is a calculation of the purchase consideration under the net asset method. So net asset method, you people knew it, asset minus sundry creditor, you will get it as a purchase consideration. Now asset, so here we going to take the asset and creditor value of the X and Y. You have to both, you want to add it up and you want to mention it. Here, asset values of a cash in hand, cash at a bank, sundry debtor, plant stock, preliminary and plan. If you add all the values of the X and Y, you will mention here, that is a 1,24,000. You want to verify, you can verify here the both the values are 93 plus 31, 124. So 124 means 1,24,000. Next, sundry debt creditor, you want to subtract. From 1,24,000, 4,000 you deducted 1,20,000. Now, this is a purchase consideration. But now we want to find out the payment of the purchase consideration. So, payment of a purchase consideration means from the purchase consideration, we want to deduct our old company's share capital, reserve and P&L. So, 1,20,000 minus share capital 80,000 plus 25,000, that is a 1,05,000. You have deducted, the answer will be 15,000. From that, you want to deduct the reserve value of 7,500 plus 4,000, the value will be 11,500. Similarly, you want to deduct 15,000 deducted from 11,500, you will get it as a 3,500. From that, again you want to deduct the P&L value given from the question, 2,500 plus 1,000. So 3,500. The thing. Here from this calculation we have found out reserve is a nil and P&L also is a nil. We have to show it in a balance sheet. Now next step, we are moving to the balance sheet of a XY, that is a new company's balance sheet. Now liability, asset side. So first asset side, cash in hand. So both the companies we want to add from the balance sheet. So 150. Cash at a bank 3,850, sundry debtor 28,500, plant 16,500, stock 22,000 and premises 40,000 and patent 13,000. Again I'm saying in a liability side, share capital, the share capital value we want to take it as our purchase consideration value, that is a new value. Next, creditor, okay, or else I'll give you another hint. If you are calculated on your asset side, the asset side value will be 1,24,000. From 1,24,000, you want to deduct your 4,000 of a credit. You will find out our new sundry capital value. New share capital value. It is generating a share capital value of a new company. Next step is a journal entry. Journal entry of a new company, that is a XY Limited. First, purchase consideration. Business purchase account debtor to liquidator of 1,20,000, 1,20,000. Next, asset whatever you are taking, and creditor sundry have purchased. So if you totalize this 1,20,000, 1,20,000 for 1,24,000, and if you add both the things, 1,24,000. Next, journal payment. So payment and the purchase consideration will be the same value. Next step, we have to create a ledger of the every X company, Y company. Okay, first ledger we're going to see realization account. Here in this we have to take only X company. Similarly, we have to take only Y company. So asset value of whatever given in our textbook, and creditors purchase of a business is mentioned as a share capital of that particular. So if you add of this side asset value, you will get a 93,000. From 93,000, okay, plus 8,000, 80,000 plus 3,000, 83. Okay, sorry, 93,000 minus 83,000, the answer will be 10,000. That is our balancing figure, that is called as a loss. If both the side, if you add 93, you will get it. Next one, realization account, Y company. Again, asset value of the Y company and Y company sundry, creditor, and purchasing is called as a share capital. Again, this side you have total it of your asset, you will get 31,000 minus, so 25,000 plus 1,000, so 26. So 26, the answer will be differentiate will be the 5,000. That is your balancing figure, that is also realization loss. So in this company we found out the loss. Now next one, equity shareholders of the X Limited. So here what we have found it from the first, loss. So realization of a loss 10,000, equity share 80,000, reserve 7,500, P&L 2,500. If you add, you will get it as a 90,000. 90,000 minus 10,000, the answer will be the 80,000. That is going to be our balancing figure. Next one, equity shares of the Y Limited. Again, in our balance sheet, we have found it out a realization of a loss 5,000. So that 5,000 by equity share capital 25,000, reserve 4,000, P&L 1,000. So if we are going to total up, it will value will be 30,000. From the 30,000, 5,000 if you deduct it, you will get the 25,000. That is our balance.